Hello ladies and gentlemen, today's video will be on the lather review for Grandstaff Soap Company. This soap is an artisan out of, I think he's out of Texas. His name is Travis Grandstaff. He's part of the Razor and Brush Facebook group, great group. So today we'll try this out. Right now the puck is dry, so I'm going to do simulated face lather on my hand like this. This is an Omega brush, an Omega Boar brush. Don't know what the model number of this is, but this is what I use. So basically I just put some water on top of it, let it soak for a couple minutes, or a couple seconds actually, and I dry out my brush a bit just to get traction. And that's basically what I do. Okay, so I start loading. So that's probably a decent amount. I'll pick up what I can here. Okay. Just wet my hands a bit. Okay. So as you can see already, the cream's very thick. It's not very finicky with the amount of water. That was a little too much water, but it'll fix itself back up, and it's a very forgiving soap. I've tried many times. I put lots of water and a lot less water, and it still likes to work, and that's the greatest part of the soap. And as you can see already, it is nicely. You can't even feel your fingertips through this, which is great. It's amazing. Just a little bit more water. And there you go. It's amazing. I could work this a little bit more and really have it come out nicely, but just for this demonstration alone, you can tell this stuff just lathers up so beautifully. Now just to pull out the camera to see, like I said, it's a very quick one. You can see how thick it is, and it peaks up very well, very nicely. You know, it's great. And one of the greatest things I find with this soap that I really love is the post-shave properties. I think it's the avocado butter, and then it has a lot of butters in here, and it really protects your skin, and it does not dry your skin out, and which I really like. So there you have it, guys. Here is your simulated face lather of the Grandstaff Soap Company. There you go. So now I'm going to wash this all off, and let's do a bowl lather. Okay, for the bowl lather I'm using a silver tip. This is a Merkur. Came with my Future that my wife purchased for me. It's a nice brush. It's a little floppy, so it's not the greatest for face lathering, but it's very soft. It allows me to really paint on the lather on my face when I do a bowl lather with it, so I really like it. So for this one, I tend to have it a little bit more wet. I put a lot more water in I keep the brush very well hydrated compared to when I do a face lather. I don't know why, but I find this works the best, at least for this type of soap. And you can see it's really wet here, but it helps out a lot. Okay, and as you can see, there's a lot of suds here. Like I was saying with my water here, with the Omega brush, this soap, I don't know what it is, but it's very forgiving. And you saw I have big bubbles here, and and this still is going to whip out amazingly. Very forgiving. And as you can see already, I mean, this brush is full. just an example. How quickly this lathers up, and how beautiful the lather is. Work it in a bit more. And that's a lot of lather. I have lather for days. I don't know if you can see it or if it's visible on the camera, but it glistens a bit. It holds the water very, very nicely. And I mean, there's some here, but look at that. That is awesome. And it's got that yogurt consistency, and it glistens. It's peaky. You know, this is great for right now. This lather is perfect for a straight razor. It's got its slickness. It's definitely hydrating as it glistens. I don't know if it's visible, but and you saw within seconds this thing can lather up, and this is just a quick, you know, a quick maybe minute. I didn't really work it properly or completely as I normally would, but this is just an example. And the nice thing is the scent. It's a very nice scent. It's very soft. It's not overpowering. And this one is the Forest Floor Grandstaff. The only gripe I have with the Grandstaff soaps, just one thing. This sticker is not waterproof, and it's already peeled here. And I mean, I'm assuming since he's just started, he's gonna definitely go with the waterproof ones, because we have, you know, when we shave, we have water all over the place, and you know, it happens. But anyways, there you go, guys. Beautiful, amazing lather. And it glistens. It's beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Have yourself a good shave.